The UK has one of the most innovative research communities on development sciences, and we can make significant contributions to the research agendas that are demonstrated in the Science and Innovation for Development book. And by investing in developing countries, we have tremendous opportunity to address some of the most significant challenges facing these countries, and thus reinforce the value of our own science and the problems that are addressing globally and the UK itself.
Science is important for development and the reduction of poverty because many of the challenges which we face have technical obstacles that have to be overcome. There might be ability to deal with the disease or to be able to measure a change in a society or environment. And for that reason, without science and development, many development objectives simply cannot be achieved.
I wrote the book because people who are not natural scientists should understand the importance of science and of innovation in furthering the goals of international development. In other words, what's the role of science in helping people to get more food, in helping them to be free of disease, in helping them to have a better environment, in averting climate change and its problems in developing countries?
The value of this book is to help people who make decisions about science and development to be able to know where the sources of information are for that, to be better informed when convincing the people they have to convince to do that, and generally to help policymakers understand where science for development can make a difference in reducing poverty.
The book is a very valuable tool for policymakers, one, because it really gives a background to all the problems that we are facing now and what's been done thus far and how science has contributed, as well as bring out places where innovation is still needed, where collaboration is still needed. And reading the book, you can really get an idea of why it's important to invest and where it's important to invest.
We hope in the book we've shown that science and technology for development really delivers impact, reducing hunger, producing more food, reducing child and maternal mortality, all of which involve the application of either conventional science or, in some cases, new platform science.
The mobile phone is a classic example. The mobile phone is being used in Africa and elsewhere. For example, mobile banking in Kenya, or using it to access markets for their crops.
Science is a tool for solving problems, such as how to reduce the amount of malaria, how to get higher yields from your crops. You really need science to understand the problem and to figure out ways to tackle it. Science is an essential tool for poverty reduction today, and the book really outlines what science has done in the past and the potential that science has to contribute to these problems in the future.
Science and innovation is crucial to reducing poverty, to reducing ill health, to reducing hunger, to preserving the environment, to producing wealth in the 21st century. Only countries that have got science and innovation in their policies and are fostering science and innovation will be the winners. And really what the book is doing is trying to bring these different things together. It's bringing the problems and the solutions together and showing how that can happen.